Welcome back to Not Just Campers and back to our wide body Gullwing. For those that are new, this is our Gullwing. We made it wider because this is a 2014 AMG SLK 55 V8. So it's bigger, wider, and the other week we had it started, didn't we?
We did.
And it sounds bloody fantastic. So yeah. So we've got that to do. What I want to do today is I want to put all the headlights in. So I want to get the headlights in, the indicators, fasten the grille in, put the spotlights in. Yep. Although we did them, we need to bolt them all up, make sure everything all fits. I'm going to do that. You are going to be, we've got a customer's van in. It's a very, very good friend of ours. And Andy's, he has dropped his van off. We need to do his power steering. He obviously uses his van every day, so he's just dropped it on us. His power steering's gone, so you're going to be looking at that, aren't you? Yep. So I'll do this, you crack on with that. Josh's car's outside, he's playing about with it. Aren't you, Josh? Yeah. Pointless waving at me cameras there, mate.
Alex is facing the wrong way.
All right. And as you can see, there's parts lying everywhere because we've got obviously the RS that you saw last week. That's in pieces as well. Right, let's crack on. And it's a very, very hot one today as well, isn't it?
It's too hot for me.
Go on, see your line.
I like it hot, but I don't like it this hot.
That's all I've had all day off him. Right, straight into it this week with the headlights, the indicators and the spotlights, and we also secured the grilling as well properly on the front end, so we try to get that and then work his way back. As Alex kept saying all day, it was extremely hot, so we had the front door open, try to move some air around the unit, try to keep cool. Shorts were the order of the day, even with my little scrawny legs. But we had to keep cool. So headlight balls went in, use the belt sander to rough everything out, then the flappy wheel to sort finesse it a little bit. Chrome ring went on. We need to make some brackets for the chrome ring, front and top and bottom, so that holds it in place. And then the indicator / side light. So they're a dual purpose one with a dual purpose bulb, and what happens with them is they go onto a side light. When you indicate, it actually cancels out the side light, so it saves us having a side light in the headlight. Looks a lot better, we like it that way. So we will be wiring these up, but I ain't shown that on the video because I'm sure you guys are as sick as wiring as we are. One thing you have to do as well, because obviously it's a glass fibre body, we have to take all the earthing wires back to the body of the vehicle, so back to a steel or metal structure rather than into glass fibre, obviously, because it won't work. And there you see me taking out the headlight bulbs because I forgot to put the gasket in, the rubber gasket. So I'm just putting that back in, and then the headlight bulbs can go back in. You all right, mate?
Got that off. It's not getting any cooler out there.
What's that, the power steering pump?
Power steering pump, that.
Right, okay. Do you want me to have a look at it and clean it down?
See if we can sort something.
Yeah, if not, we'll just get another one. Okie doke.
Okay, dokes.
Can't believe how hot it is today.
No.
And why is it this bag of rags is so, it's so big? You know, they aren't like cut them up.
It's like they ain't cut them up, isn't it?
No, but it's just so hot.
Right, and Josh is finishing cleaning his up. Getting it all nice and clean.
This pump's broke.
It's broke.
Yeah, we're going to need another one. It's making a bit of a noise. The fuck? Oh, sorry. Oh, these are cool. The indicator spotlights and headlights are now in, and the grille. So that is all that lot completed. Looks pretty good, mate. I like it.
Yeah.
We are going to be battling with some issues though with wiring.
That wouldn't be unheard of, would it?
No, because again, this is all, I think this is CAN bus or whatever.
Yeah.
It has, when we're trying the headlights, it pulses, so we'll get around that. We can put a feed to, like we did with my van.
Yeah.
My van, we had to do the same. So we put a feed to the switch, separate feed to the switch, and then run it that way. But that's in. We finished the van, the power steering, that's all sorted. So now we just, Alex has been doing that. We just need to make a couple little brackets up for the headlights, but that's really it today. So I do apologise for that, but we have been snowed under with work at the moment.
Had a bit on, haven't we?
Yeah. So there we go. Better to be busy than not. Right, go on then. Let's have a quick. Ta-da! So they're DRLs and driving lights and side lights. So can we have? Was that headlights?
No, I haven't touched them yet.
Oh.
What? Oh.
There we go. They've got a mind of their own. Right, can I have some headlights then, please?
Headlights.
Yeah,
I think that's because they're on.
Watch, it goes.
I can see one flashing and then it'll
Yeah. So it goes passenger driver.
Yeah.
It's like a Gullwing police car behind you. Dink, dink. Right. So that we've got to sort out, obviously, wiring. Nightmare is new wiring. But we can do it. Can we have a driver's indicator? Like that. And then we'll have a passenger indicator. Yes. Right, so that's that done. Good. So, apart from wiring, Liam, got a job for you. So
he'll not call in again, will
I know he won't, will he? So that's that done. All the gaps are done on the bonnet and the doors, aren't there? The windscreen is now done, so that's all set up and all done. So let's say extended that. That's good. We just need a titivate. Well,
rear windscreen.
Rear windscreen. We need to try that in, and the quarter windows.
Yeah,
we need to try them in, and then we need to figure out what we're doing with the side doors. So with the windows.
Yeah.
Gaps are good. Brake lights we need to put in the back, but again we can do that. We're going to put brake lights in the back there. We need to make some lights up. Suggestions from you guys really, I think, on this one. So the back, what we want to do, I'll see if I can get a picture, but we want to do, where mine are like that, we don't want that. We want something similar, but we just want like a strip, like a black perspex strip with LEDs hidden behind it that we can flush to the bodywork. That's what we want to do. And same with the number plate, we'll have to have some little recessed lights in the back, won't we?
Yeah.
So, but we could do what I've done on mine. I've got the, I think they call them motorbike.
Yeah, the motorbike number plate bolts, aren't they?
So number plate bolts and the lights at the same time. So that's it, yep. So we shall see you next week, and don't think we're doing any vans next week.
I hope not.
No, so obviously back on this. We're going to be putting Alex, come, I tell you what, Joshua, come hither, sir, please. Do you want to just be cameraman for us? Go on, sit, get your ass on there.
Are you sure? It's only fiberglass.
I know it's only fiberglass. Watch your air suspension drop. No, I meant there's a leak.
That's all muscle, that.
It is, I felt the six pack then. Right, square back.
Yep.
Where are we at with it? Because obviously people are asking.
I've done nearly all the welding. I've just some little bits to do.
Yep.
But putting plates in is not entertaining.
No, welding.
It goes on and goes on, doesn't it?
Yeah,
so
cutting and welding.
That's just a couple of little bits.
Yep.
I need to get underneath painted then, so I'm going to paint that first. I've got some more panels at the dippers because some of my panels were a bit ropier than I wanted them to be, so I've had to find some more. Yeah, hopefully
Good.
getting together.
Yep.
I need to have a look at my engine.
Right, yeah. Swap it for a Porsche one.
Yeah,
We actually had a busman's day out
did,
didn't we,
yeah.
the other day, and we went and saw a nice guy called Giles, and he had a shed full of Porsche engines, didn't
he did.
he? And unfortunately, he didn't turn his back, so we couldn't get one out.
I couldn't get one in my pocket.
So that's Alex's weekend project. My weekend project, as you know, is the RS4. So that's what we're going to be doing, let's say, in our spare times. This is obviously what we're going to be doing. This is the main thing,
Yeah.
obviously. This.
Need to get this ready for paint, don't
Yeah, we need to get this ready for paint, get it all done. And let's say, so we will be dropping the videos in every now and again. What we try to do is at the weekend, you do bits or I do bits, we put them together and we just save them and build them up, because obviously last weekend when I was at Worthersea, we didn't have any footage because we weren't working. Alex was away watching the Bluebird project.
Yeah,
Don't mention that.
don't mention that.
Yeah,
It was a lovely weekend in Lake District, we'll put it that way.
Yeah. So obviously we didn't do any footage. That's why we save it every now and again for when we're doing that. You're going to the TT as well, aren't you?
Yeah, I must apologise to everybody because it will probably rain again.
Yeah.
Because I went last year and it rained.
Yeah. So that's why we do that anyway, just to answer a few questions. Yeah, it's good. We like, obviously we like getting involved and doing different things. I hope you like watching, rather than watching the same thing all the time, just getting involved in different projects. So we've got the square back, we've got the RS, we've got this, we've got the Audi above us when we get onto that.
Yeah.
Because we need to do the interior of that and then get that away. But yeah, busy. And then we've got other projects lined up. We've got, oh yeah. Yeah. Come on and say. Right, that'll do. Have a great week wherever you are in the world. Say hello to us and let us know about the lights, see what you think. Alex has bought a printer, the 3D printer, so he might be printing his lights. Right, bye from me.
Bye from me.
You're going to say goodbye?